In this video, you are going to learn about significance of agreement of trial balance. Significance of agreement of trial balance. It is important for an accountant that the trial balance should tally. Trial balance should tally, isn't it? It have both column, debit column and credit column. It should tally finally. So accountant is expecting this only. If it is tally, we can say all the accounts, all the ledger account balances are recorded very clearly in our trial balance. But even it shows tallied amount, both the side debit and credit column, we cannot be assured about their accuracy of the trial balance because some errors will not reveal trial balance. That are errors of commission, completely commission and completely omission, and errors of principles. So this and all will not reveal trial balance, which is will not affect trial balance, isn't it? So if we are omitting the entries, not partially omission, complete omission means that single account we fails to record, debit and credit side we fails to record the same amount. So anyway, account will tally at final stage of the trial balance, but we cannot be happy about that tallied amount, isn't it? Because it shows fake information. It is not an accurate. At the same time, errors of principle. Errors of principles also will not affect trial balance. So instead of recording in debit side, if they have recorded in credit side, anyway, if they have recorded in both the side means that will show same balance, isn't it? At the same time, another one, errors of commission. Commission means instead of writing 1100, they written only 110. But not only in one side, both the side entered only 110. So this also will not affect trial balance. Accountant will not be very happy after tallying the trial balance. But we can assume it, okay, all the entries are recorded perfectly. That is what we can. Normally, a tallied balance means that both the debit and credit balances have been made correctly for the each transactions. So normally we are thinking, okay. However, as stated earlier, the agreement of trial balance is not an absolute proof of accuracy of accounting records. It is not an absolute proof of accurate result. A tallied trial balance only proves to certain extent that the posting to the ledger is arithmetically correct. It is certain extent only. So not completely, isn't it? So the ledger balances are posted perfectly into the trial balance. That is what we can come to know with the help of the trial balances tallied amount, isn't it? But it does not guarantee that the entry itself is correct. It does not guarantee it. It does not guarantee it. There can be errors which affect the equality of debits and credits. And there can be errors which do not affect the equality of debits and credits. Some common errors including the following. What are the errors will be in trial balance? Let's discuss one by one. First one is errors in totaling of debit and credit balances in trial balance. You know, trial balance have two columns. One is debit column and another one is credit column. While we add the amounts in debit column, we may leave some mistakes. So that amount. That errors. Error in totaling the subsidiary books. You know what is subsidiary books? Purchase book, purchase written book, sales written book, journal proper. So these all are subsidiary books, special journals. There the accountant may leave mistakes while totaling the subsidiary books balances. Errors in posting of the total of subsidiary books. The subsidiary books balances should be posted into the trial balance, isn't it? So while post that subsidiary books balances into the trial balance, the accountant may leave some mistakes. Error in showing account balances in wrong column of the trial balance in the wrong amount. So error showing account balances in wrong column. Instead of writing in debit column, the accountant may be written in credit column of the trial balances or wrong amount. Instead of writing 1000 rupees, he or she may be written in 10,000 rupees. So that is the wrong amount, isn't it? Omission. What is the meaning of omission? They fails to record, that is omission. What is the meaning of commission? Wrong amount. Instead of writing 1100, if they return only 110, that is errors of commission. Isn't it? Okay, good. Omission in showing an account balance and the trial balance. If completely omitted, that entry is failed to record in trial balance. That is completely omitted. Partial omission. Debit amount alone have written in trial balance, credit amounts they fails to record. So this kind of partly omission will affect trial balance, completely omission will not affect trial. You will learn about it in next video. Errors in the calculation of ledger account balance. Errors in the calculation of ledger account balances. You know ledger account how it will be. So while balancing the ledger accounts, if we leave any errors, that error also will affect. And error while posting a journal entry. A journal entry may have been posted properly, may not have been. Error while posting a journal entry. A journal entry may not have been posted properly to the ledger. You know journalizing, and after journalizing we will do ledger. So each and every single account, that is the original account, first account, principal account, is called ledger. So after journalizing, the journalized transactions should be entered in ledger in each and every single account. So while they do posting, they leave some mistake. While posting, errors while posting a journal entry. You know what is journal entry? Journalizing transaction from transaction to journalizing with the help of principles of accounting. Personal account, real account, nominal account. We will use to do journalizing. After journalizing, the journalized transactions should be posted into the ledger. Posting. Second one is posting ledger, isn't it? That is separate account called individual account, principal account, original account, first account in the accounting system called ledger account. So while they are doing posting from journal transaction to ledger, they may leave mistakes. Possibilities are three. First one is posting made either with wrong amount. So wrong amount may be entered wrongly. And second one is wrong side. It may be debited or credited. Instead of writing in debit side, they may record in credit side. That is wrong side and the amount, or the wrong account. Wrong account means instead of debiting in Rahul's account, they return in Rohit's account. So that is wrong account. Instead of writing in debtor's account, they return in creditor's account. Isn't it? And next one is errors in recording a transaction in a journal, making a reverse entry. So errors in recording in journal. Even while doing the journal entries also, they are leaving mistakes. The journalizing is the primary one. If they leave any mistake, if the accountant leave mistakes while preparing journal entries, opposite entries will be done. Account to be debited is credited and the amount to be credited is debited. So account to be debited is credited and amount to be credited to be debited, or an entry with wrong amount. Errors in recording transaction in journal. Errors in recording transaction in journal. While doing journal also they are leaving mistake. So amount should be debited is credited, amount should be credited is debited. Errors in recording a transaction in journal. Errors in recording a transaction in journal, making a reverse entry. So wrong entry also may be there. Else amount may be debited to be credited or credited to be debited. That and all. Some more errors are entry in wrong amount. Wrong amount should be entered in correct entry. So this is all a mistake while doing journalizing. So possibilities are there to leave so many mistakes in journalizing, even the ledger posting also. Errors in recording transaction in subsidiary books with wrong name or wrong amount. Errors in recording a transaction in subsidiary books. So in recording a transaction in subsidiary books, they are leaving so many errors. At the same time, wrong name and wrong amount. Wrong name and wrong amount. On wrong name, they entered wrong amount, or wrong amount is entered on wrong name. So these are all the possibilities of leaving mistakes while preparing trial balances. Thank you.